Toyota Innova, nag-install tayo ng Optimus brand Android head unit and mid-range model. Specs 464, Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And then ito, nakakonect si client or si customer ng Android Auto. Ayan, navigation, Spotify or any source of music mag-appear dyan or lalabas dyan. Then exit lang. Ito yung pinaka home screen. So with reverse camera lang to. Check natin yung resolution ng reverse. Ayan. This one is AHD 1080p reverse camera. Ayan, ganyan kalinaw yung reverse camera niya. Okay. Regarding sa ibang function naman ng sasakyan. So steering wheel control hindi po na-compromise. And working po. Ayan, mode, volume down, volume up, next, and previous, and answer and hang up pag nakakonect sa Android Auto or hands-free call. Okay, let's see and check din naman natin yung ibang features na meron to. So DSP amplifier or DSP built-in, meron 6 channel to, may 5.1, may 4. So ayan, crossover, time alignment, polarity, equalizer, enhance. Okay, and then balik naman tayo sa pinaka screen. Sa head unit natin meron tong mga application. Ayan, traffic safety guard, meron tayong freebies na dashcam or UI camera for mid-range model and up. So ayan siya, nagre-record yan. Ayan, malinaw rin yung resolution and wide angle or viewing din siya. And then meron tong Google Assistant, Netflix, Maps, Spotify, Waze, YouTube, Google Play Store. Meron tong online and offline voice command. So online and offline voice command, no more hassles na, lalo na pag driving ka, hindi mo na kailangan hanapin yung application. For example, mag-open ka ng YouTube, pwede mo na i-command sa offline voice command natin under Topal Voice. Ayan, so compatible din to sa mga headrest monitor and 4G, then Wi-Fi, dual Wi-Fi ready na rin siya. So yun lang, ito yung mid-range model na Optimus brand. Thank you.